Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Echoes of Aincrad game crashing or not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, black screen or several other issues on PS5. So the very first method is to restart your PlayStation. One of the best way to fix the issue is by restarting the PS5. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open a PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then select power button and then select restart PS5 as you can see in the image. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to check storage space on console. For that, you have to go to PS5 settings first and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. After that, go to the PS5 settings, tap on save data and game or app settings. Now select save data PS5, choose console storage and then tap on delete option. After that, launch the game and check. Next solution is to rebuild database. For that, you have to switch off your PS5 first. After that, hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. Once done, launch the game and check. Now restore licenses is the next method. So for that, you have to open settings on your PS5, click on users and accounts, move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Echoes of Aincrad game and then click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next is to check for game updates. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure to check if there is an update available, and once the game is updated, launch the game and check. Next is install software updates on PS5. For that, you have to open settings on our PS5 first, then select system. Now go to system software, click on system software updates and settings. After that, select update system software. Finally choose update using internet app option as you can see in the image. Next is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, you have to go to settings, tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and then check for the error. Next is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, you have to go to settings. After that, click on network, click on settings, click on setup network connection. Here, click on options under Wi-Fi frequency. You can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings. Now go to system. Here select language option in the left sidebar. After that, select current language. Now change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved as you can see the image. Next is to reset your console settings. For that, you have to launch settings on PS5 and move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here choose reset default settings. At last, select restore option. Next is to reinstall Echoes of Aincrad game. For that, you have to first highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on your controller. After that, select delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Echoes of Aincrad game again to check for the error. Final method is to contact support. So if the issue still continues and nothing works for you, then you should take or contact PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. They will better suggest you the solution and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.